In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho survey. We'll go from a blank dashboard to a published, shareable survey using Zoho's built-in templates, keeping everything clear and efficient so you can launch with confidence. Start on the Zoho survey dashboard and look for the option to create a new survey. Click Create Survey. You'll see choices for how to begin. To move quickly and get a professionally structured layout, choose the template route by clicking Choose from Template. Templates save time and provide best practice question flows you can adapt to your needs. Browse the available templates and select the one that fits your goal. You can usually preview the structure and question types to make sure it matches the kind of feedback you want, whether that's customer satisfaction, market research, event feedback, or something internal. For this walkthrough, pick a business survey as an example. It's a versatile category that typically includes sections for demographics, satisfaction ratings, and open-ended comments. After you've found the one you want, click Select to confirm your choice. You'll be prompted to name your survey. Edit the survey name to something clear and descriptive so teammates can identify it at a glance. A helpful convention is to include the purpose and audience, like Q2 customer feedback, retail, but keep it concise and avoid special characters that make sharing messy. Once you've updated the name, click Create to generate your survey from the template. Zoho will open the builder so you can make it your own. This is where you can edit the survey if you like. Adjust question wording so it reflects your brand voice, tailor answer options to your products or services, and remove any sections that aren't relevant. Keep questions focused and concise. Shorter surveys often get higher completion rates. If the template includes rating scales, confirm the scale labels are clear. You can reorder questions for a logical flow, mark key questions as required, and update the theme or colors to match your brand style for a more polished look. When you're satisfied with the content, move to launch by clicking Launch. This prepares your survey for distribution and final checks. From there, click Publish to make it live. After publishing, you'll see a shareable link and options to distribute your survey across channels such as email, website embeds, or QR codes, depending on your plan. Be sure your title and description set the right expectations so respondents know why their input matters. That's it. Your Zoho survey is created, customized, and published. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.